Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to close a channel video chat on the Telegram app using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been live streaming or hosting video chats on your Telegram channel and now want to end it the right way, this is the quick and easy tutorial for you. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and ready to manage your channel. Next, navigate to the channel where your video chat or live stream is currently active. Click to open it so you're inside the channel view. Now look for the active video chat or live stream at the top of the channel interface. Once you see that, click on the three dots. This is the menu icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the video chat window. From the drop-down options, select End Live Stream. This option tells Telegram you want to conclude the ongoing session. When you click that, you'll see a checkbox labeled End Live Stream. Uncheck this box if you want to leave the live stream without permanently ending it. This might be useful if you want others to continue streaming or if you plan to come back later. Finally, after adjusting the checkbox, click Leave to exit the video chat session. And that's it. You have successfully closed the video chat on your Telegram channel on your PC using the new update. These steps make it straightforward to manage your live stream smoothly without any hiccups. So remember, open your Telegram app. Go into the channel, open the video chat, click the three dots, choose End Live Stream, uncheck it if needed, and then hit Leave. Simple, efficient, and clear. Thanks for watching.